Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to turn off shuffle on your Spotify application. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So before getting started, make sure to update your application to the latest version and also make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So in order to turn off shuffle on your Spotify application or your account, you'll not be able to do it unless you have a Spotify premium or you have a premium account. So you need to make sure you have a monthly subscription of Spotify premium streaming service. Only then you'll be able to turn off shuffle on Spotify. So in order to turn off your shuffle on your Spotify, first thing you need to log into your Spotify account. Once you're logged into your account, on the search box type in the music that you like and after that play the music. So then tap the now playing bar, which is right at the bottom. As soon as you click on it, the bar pops up and it becomes a full screen. And after that, you need to click on the icon that's just above the lyrics or the intersecting arrow icon. And this is a shuffle icon. So whenever it is green, it indicates that the shuffle is turned on. Whenever the intersecting arrow is white in color, which indicates that the shuffle is turned off. So that is how you can turn off shuffle on Spotify. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.